How to fix Ticketmaster application login not working issue. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix an issue if you're experiencing while trying to log into Ticketmaster application. So without further delay, let's get started. First step is to check for your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. That may be your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And if that is not your case, and still if you have a problem while logging in, the second option is to look for the update of the application. If the application is missing out any updates, you might not be able to log in. So for that, open up Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Ticketmaster. And if you find an update button, that means the application needs to be updated. Tap on update, and once the update is complete, go back and try to re-log in. If that still does not help you, then you can close the Ticketmaster application completely. After that, restart your device to clear some temporary glitches. Once you restart your device, relaunch the application and try logging in again. And if still not, ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. In case if you forget the password, you can always recover by tapping on the forget password on the login page and follow some steps to reset your password via the email link sent by the Ticketmaster. And with the reset password or with the new password, try to log in again. And if that still does not help you, then you can try to clear some cache and data. For that, open up settings in your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right, and in the search bar, search for Ticketmaster. Tap on storage and cache, then try to clear some cache. Once you have done that, now reopen the application and log in again. If that still does not help you, then try to uninstall and reinstall the application. Once you have installed the application, reinstall it from the official App Store to ensure that you have a clean and updated version. And once you have done that, then you can try to log in. If still not, then try to log in from a browser. Visit Ticketmaster's website using a browser. So open up Chrome and then go to the Ticketmaster website. So from there, you can also log in to verify if the issue is app specific or your account related. And if the problem still persists, then you can contact to Ticketmaster support center. For that, you can visit their official help center, that is help.ticketmaster.com. Then you can either use a live chat or email options for assistance. So these are some of the ways that will help you to fix if you have a login problem in Ticketmaster application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.